I'm really disappointed with the Wi-Fi because it's clearly acting up. All right. Right, so this is what's happened in the last 24 hours or so. Like I say, not in the last 24 hours. Everybody knows what's happened recently, na Desmond, and how things have been. You can see my eyes are swollen and everything. I didn't sleep the whole of last night, trying to figure stuff out, you know. So Nezro Manero, around 9:30, I got into bed for me to sleep. And then my son came over. He's like, Mom, did you speak with Des today? And because we'd been arguing most of the day, Des, I didn't want him to know that we'd been arguing. And I was like to him, no, I haven't. I was like, why? He came over with his iPad. He's like, somebody's just sent me this by message. And I was like, what is that? Shganzi, a video. It was somebody recorded off Dion's Snapchat. Dion was sat in my car yesterday afternoon, Anna Desi. She was with Des in the car, and Des was grabbing her thighs and grabbing all these things. I will forward this video on there because it's already out. Apparently, yato postwa all over the place. So this is the same guy that my 16-year-old. This is what Des was doing, right? That he was with this girl yesterday and everything. And it seems as if I've been played the fool because the messages that were on there, Vachitumirana, those my pictures where there was this girl watch or Kuti Des is a gold digger, whatnot, mskanaka garamota mangu and everything else. And so yeah, that's basically, so this whole time, right, with every drama that's been happening, we are all being played. Desna Dion are still together. He's still sleeping with this 18-year-old. I cannot collect my results. First week of January, my A-level results. And she's even posting him on his Snapchat. How disrespectful is that, Kwandiri? And this is the guy Angari Pashoya Ruveneko crying, saying I made a one-off mistake, lack of judgment, that I saw, and everybody felt sorry for him. And guys, I feel like such a fool. I'm an idiot. I am this biggest idiot, the biggest fool on this earth. So yeah, this was all a publicity stunt on from his whatever, the whole Ruveneko interview. He was there lying his ass off and whatnot. So once bitten, twice shy, whatever the case is, I am done. I am done. So no, Anza Varambane. No, I'm not even going to. Please don't call me my Chideme. I'm not even doing this whole crying thing. Guys, all I want to do right now, this is me, my mindset and my thinking. I've bought a ticket. I'm flying out today, and I'll be there ku Zimbabwe mangwana. If you can see, there are my bags and stuff. I'm coming ku Zimbabwe, and the only thing that I want out of all of this, and Desmond, I don't want to fight with him. I don't want to have war with him. I don't want to have anything with him. I just want to walk into my house, pack my things, tora zvinhu zvangu, ndobuda, ndodzoka. And that's it. That's all I want to do. I just want to go and pack my things and leave. I've been on the phone with him, and he's saying, Kwandiri, ukawia kunoku, like, we're done, whatnot, and everything else. And there's nothing left between us. If you come here, ndukukudaidzira purisa. He doesn't want to give back what belongs to me. That's what this guy is saying. I've got his messages. Achitara kuti, I'm gonna go kumapurisa and make sure that when you come here, this and that. He just does. I don't want drama with him. I don't want problems with him. I want my cars. I want my furniture. I want jese. Leave him the way he is. And whatever comes to him, I'm not here to revenge him. I'm not here to destroy him. He's on his own self-destructive path. He's capable. Of social media. I made this public before. I will not walk around, whatever he's doing. Desmond Anamchatoneni, I don't have chapter 37 with him and whatnot. And for the longest time, we've talked about a prenup. But nonetheless, I just want to go and take everything that's mine. This has gone far enough. Dion, if you're watching this, you can have Desmond. For the lying cheat that he is with you, he will probably do the same thing. And he was even telling me, Kuti, you are nothing. It was a mistake. And whatnot. That he's not even into you like that. Whatever he was saying. I know, Lisa, I should have packed my things, Diriko, but whilst I was there, it was like he's at peace with me and whatnot. Omira kutindiye tangendaenda ndishike kunoku, for him to do all these things. So I'm saying this. I am saying this in advance. Kuti Desmond, if you're watching this video, and I know you will be, or somebody will tell you, you got a lot of people following you, just be a gentleman and give me back anything that belongs to me, and we are done. I will not call you. I will not look for you. I will not have anything to do with you. I will not have your last name. I will not. I will make sure that my Google search doesn't even bring your name up. I will be posting that video yacho and the girl's pictures, because I wonder if this girl aneva bereki. Does she even have parents? This home wrecker. Right? But I don't deal with her. I deal with him. I know apparently my video is causing chaos again. Right now, unotenga ticket £1,300 just to fly over, because it's funny you're talking about my boxer shorts, Tora. He even mentioned it. You want to take all the clothes. You can't be seen wearing all these designer clothes by this girl thinking, Kuti, it's all you. I'm just saying, all I'm saying is, if you don't want to have anything to do with me, it's fine. If you want to be with Dion, it's good as well, right? But let me not leave any reminders of me. Let me not leave anything, kana teaspoon, kana t-shirt, kana anything that will remind you of me, right? Munogona kusara zvenyu mumba imomo muri muground muri whatever you're doing, just the two of you motanga kubuilda your life na Dion from scratch. You can build your life from scratch na Dion. Right? This is not funny. I'm like I said, Kuti, I'm not trying to hold on to anything anymore. Yes, I loved him once, and all I'm saying is, right, I don't know, like I said, no, guys, all I'm saying is, in all of this, because I know Kuti things are gonna go horribly wrong with him and stuff mangwana, because he's very resistant not to give back what belongs to me. So I'm just saying, Kuti, I'm just coming to get Jinu Jangu. I'm at peace with all of this. I'm good with this. Please leave them. Let them be. Yeah? I just want to go and get Jinu Jangu. I'm not being a drama queen or anything. I'm not being anything. I'm just going there. Dino Tora, what belongs to me. I'm just letting go. And it's not at any fault of mine. I've never lied. I've never cheated. The car is actually in my name. My cars are in my name. I'm gonna get the logbooks from my office. I've got them. It's okay, guys. I guess it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. And I never used to be this kind of person. People create a monster in you, and I was the one paying the rent. But yeah, we all know who brings home the bread. I think you've got that on file. Urkuda lawyer. I've got my own lawyers. It's okay. We're done. No, I don't wish him bad. I hope he succeeds in his life. I'm gonna be the bigger person, and I hope things work out well for him. All I'm saying is, I tried. It's not an old one. It had yesterday's timestamp. It was exactly what he was wearing yesterday. If you go on his Snapchat, you'll remember what he was wearing, Nezuro, and that's exactly what he was wearing. So, yeah. Some people are saying just leave him with them and stuff. Who does that? No, you know what? I know you, and if people see you back together, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this anymore. I promise you guys, I swear, on my own life, on my children, I am done. He is done. He is done. He says he's done. So I'm done, he's done. There's no going back. He's not even trying kana kunyengerera or anything or trying to achieve anything from this. So if anything happens to me tomorrow, just know they got disappear for whatever reason, or something goes wrong with me tomorrow, you know, I just want my stuff. I'm not worried about a lot of things, you know. I'm not. I've been up since 6 a.m. Tichita say this is getting nowhere. You know, I worked hard for them. You know, I worked hard. My sweat, my whatnot. Kuti, you know, I'm just thinking, Kuti, okay, how is he going to build his life with this 18-year-old? It's funny. Yeah, I'm just going to get my stuff. Nothing more, nothing else. And stuff. Yeah, Dion, the home wrecker, that will not stop. Ende murume wangu arutanga akabatirwa mushonga chaiwo zvekutoti naimi dai mune kwamunondiudza kuti endewo kwakati ka murume wangu aburitswe mubutiro raari. It's like I don't even know. But he's saying she means nothing, she's whatnot, whatever it is, not anymore. So I'm just reading your comments. I don't know if I can't post anything. I'm gonna go on my Facebook and I'll post this. Can I? No, I can't. I have to come off. No, you know what I mean, guys. It's you just use kuti murume wangu or whatever. No, I'm not saying kuti ndikuda mushonga. I'm saying kuti arutanga akabatirwa mushonga. Because I don't know, Des is this on this, whatever they're doing. It was disrespectful. Nekuti, he was even letting this girl post these things on her Snapchat. Right? Anyway. Guys, I gotta go and sort a few things out. And I'll need a bit of support in Zimbabwe because this man is gonna be... He's not gonna willingly let go. If he was never a gold digger or if he was never about the material things, just let me take my stuff, Des. You guys can start a life together and build from scratch and be proud, Kuti. You know, you did this together. So Thank you for the embarrassment. Thank you for degrading me and in public like you have done. Thank you for zvese zvawaita. You know, I accept it. You and I will probably never get a chance to sit down and talk again. Not in this life or anything. But thank you for these things. I know kuti in time I will hurt after this. I know kuti ndichaita my sleepless nights. I'll wake up in the middle of the night. I will cry. I will scream. I will shout. But one day in this life, I will forget about you. You will be like a toothache I once had. One did wadzisa, you know, the betrayal that has come with it, and you never took time to see things from my point of view or to try and understand me. It was all about you and your career. It was all about my music is more important to me than anything else. It was, and this is me not even talking about the material stuff. I'm talking about matters of the heart. You've embarrassed me as a woman, as your wife, as a mother. You have degraded me. You have you have no idea. And it's because of people like you that good women out there stop loving. Good women out there become bad girls because of men like you. No, I'm not giving the satisfaction of breaking me into pieces. He can break me today, but mangwana, I'll be me. You know, I need to sort myself out and get myself sorted. But it is what it is. This is who you have become.
I'm hungry. Mommy, are you going now?
Not yet. I just want to grab something from the car.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay. Give me a second. I'm coming, yeah?
Yeah.
Just want to grab something from the car.
There's already something cooking. Should I go check on it to see if it's done?
Okay. Yeah, that's the man you've become, and you and your God, I will still pick myself up. So yeah, that's Can you guys not play football in the house? So, okay, I'm really not saying much now, but No, my son's sorted. His older brother's given him something to eat. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, whatever he says, whatever he does, I just want to go pick up my things and that's it, guys. That's all I want to do. I'm not trying any drama. I'm not trying anything. I just want to go and get my stuff and that's it. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If he wants to let go, we're done, you know. So yeah, ndizvozvo, you know, ndikuzvisudurudza handisikuramba. I'm saying kuti it's okay, it's fine, I'm out of it, I am out of it, handisikuramba, I am gone. But can he just return zvinhu zvangu? Let me be given the opportunity yekuti mabhurugu hangu andinge ndakarongedza as a woman, ndorongedza zvinhu zvangu and I leave and I go. Hembe yangu yandinge ndakaisawo pahenga, I'm given that dignity to pack my dress or whatever. Ndibude ndiende. That's just it. That's just it. So when he stands between me and that, you know, a lot of people come here and you make your nasty comments. You're basically telling women to stop speaking out things like this. It's not right. Right? So I'm just saying, and this kuramba, and this quita saying, but if you ever loved me at any point in the last year and whatever months, give me the dignity to pack zvinhu zvangu than having another woman come and pack mabhurugu angu or whatever that belongs to me. Ndibude with pride and with dignity. Ndazvirongedzera zvinhu zvangu. That's it. Chete chete. And then anything that happens after, I'm not involved. I'm not a part of it. I'm not a part of anything. Chete. He says ndikudaidza mapurisa and whatnot. Like I would hurt anybody. So, yeah. I don't know, kuti vakadzi, am I wrong? As a woman, if this was you, would you not want to be given the opportunity? Yekurongedza zvinhu zvako, open your knicker drawers, you pack your knickers, you pack your clothes, you pack whatever, kana iri eyeliner or whatever, worongedza zvinhu zvako, wobuda woenda, than having another woman come and do that for you. Am I wrong? I know, Kuti, he can be there, Achiseka. It shows the kind of person that he is. He is there, Achiseka, and he's laughing, and he's insensitive, and he's 37. He's gonna be 40 soon. He's gonna be whatever. He can laugh all he wants. Yeah. Well, Stana doesn't have Wi-Fi because I never paid for it. It got cut off 2 days ago. So that's why he's got data and he has to keep putting bundles or whatever. But anyway. Anzi, there's a saying that I came across. Anzi, you blamed everything that was wrong with us on me, yet we were responsible for each other. I mean, or maybe we're just different people. Like I'm saying, Woody, all I want is to be given the opportunity yekurongedza what belongs to me, right? Ndikwanise kurongedza zvinhu zvangu, open my drawers zangu, my knicker drawers, butsu dzangu, everything that's mine. Ndorongedza my personal stuff, right? Kana ndanga ndine pads or Femi Fresh or whatever that belongs to me, can I have the dignity to be able to pack zvinhu zvangu zvakanaka, hama dzangu dziripo vachiona kuti I'm done, I'm gone at peace. So arikurambirei for me to do that? Why is he refusing? Anzi pataka nikrina, Anzi, when you bought all these things, whose wife were you? Because I was your wife. Saka all these things are zvizi zvako, zvinu zvedu. Okay, zvinu zvedu, so why are you keeping them then? Why are you keeping them? Now he's lying to me. Achinditi anzi Lexus ndakatengesa Lexus, whatnot, and stuff like that. You don't even have $5 to put data on your phone. So Geraldine, this is not love. You can't tell me he loves me. This is not love. This is not love. Yeah, my son's eating right now. So yeah, I need to get myself sorted, and I may know if there's anybody that talks to him or is friends with him. There's my passport. I hope it still has pages. Unofamba ne passport isisina mapeji. God, you know what? My passport really doesn't have pages. Like seriously. Okay. This you get my and then all the go empty so that I can bring stuff back. Give me the what do you call this? The small pink hand luggage one. Yeah. So